Welcome to the video. In this video, let's learn about ES6 code. What is ES6? It stands for ECMAScript. 6 stands for the 6th version. It was created to standardize JavaScript and was published in 2015. In this video, let's learn how to predict the output of ES6 code. So here is the first code. So here greet is a arrow function. Constant keyword is used. Greet is the function. Equals to sign. In round brackets here is one argument, name. Then is the arrow. It is also called as fact arrow. So this arrow is used in arrow function in ES6 code. Here starts the curly bracket of the ES6 code. Written keyword is used inside to print. So here two things will be displayed. Number one is text, which is in double quotes, that is hello. Plus is the concatenation operator used. Name will be the argument printed. Close of the arrow function and semicolon. Next line is console.log. So log is the JavaScript method. Using this will print on the console. Inside this greet arrow function is called. So one value is passed, that is infinite learnopedia is passed to the arrow function. So arrow function is called and one argument is passed. So this value will be stored in the name argument, and final output of this will be hello and the name, that is hello infinite learnopedia. So in this way you can predict or find the output of the ES6 code. Hope you learned from this video. Like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for more video on ES6 code.